Here we define the getStaticPaths function, which is crucial for generating static pages with dynamic routes in Next.js. The function starts by fetching a list of items, which can come from an API, a database, or your file system. Next, it maps each item to a path object with the corresponding id. These paths are then returned, telling Next.js which dynamic pages to pre-render at build time. The fallback value is set to true, which means that if a user requests a path that wasn't generated at build time, Next.js will serve a static shell of the page and then dynamically generate the static page on request. Moving on to getStaticProps, this function is called by Next.js for each page that needs to be pre-rendered based on the paths returned by getStaticPaths. Here, we're fetching the data for an individual item using the id parameter. If the item isn't found, we signify A404 by returning not found set to true. Next.js will then respond with a 404 error page. Otherwise, the item data is passed as a prop to our page. Additionally, the revalidate option is provided, enabling incremental static regeneration. This tells Next.js to revalidate the existing page with new data every 10 seconds, ensuring content remains fresh. Lastly, we have our React component, ItemPage, which receives the item data prop. We utilize the useRouter hook from Next.js to detect if the page is rendering in fallback mode. If it is, which means the page hasn't been generated yet, we display a loading message. This offers a better user experience by informing the user that the page is being prepared. Once the page has been generated, the loading message will be replaced with the actual content featuring the item's name and description. This is the seamless process Next.js provides to handle dynamic static generation with a smooth user experience.